You're a public company and looking for a way to tell your story to millions of online investors.
Welcome to AGORACOM, North America's largest online investor relations firm. We deliver investor relations to the web's biggest sites and search engines to help you find new investors. In addition to those websites, over 1 million investors read over 95 million pages of news and information on AGORACOM this year. AGORACOM, where smart public companies and investors click.
Good morning. It's Tuesday, November 11th, and you're watching AGORACOM TV. Today is Remembrance Day here in Canada, Veterans Day in the States, as we remember those who have allowed us to have a great future. My name is Jim Heron. I'll be your host for the next few days as George and Paul are in New York City for the PIPES conference. Let's get to the stories today. We have 2 from the OTCBB, 5 from the Venture Exchange. First, we have some announcements, some results announcements from the States. EastBridge Investment Group, trading on the OTCBB under the symbol EBIG, announced its positive performance for the third quarter of 2008. Its consolidated revenue increased more than 149% to $1 million for the 9 months ending September 2008 as compared to $408,779 for the same period last year. Its cash increased to about $1 million from $59,000 on September 30th. Here's a quote from Norm Klein, the CFO. Our business model is working and is now generating more fees and income for the company. We expect more increases in revenue and smaller losses in the next 2 quarters. EastBridge trades again on the OTCBB under the symbol EBIG. It closed yesterday at 3 cents. Its 52-week high and low are 2 cents to 12 cents. Our second filing from the OTCBB is RINO International Corp. Trades on the bulletin board under the symbol RINO. It announced record revenues for the third quarter. Its net sales for the third quarter increased 154.4% to $44.9 million as compared to $17.6 million in the third quarter of 2007. During the third quarter, the company recorded $33.7 million in desulfurization projects, an increase of 207.3% from $12.3 million in the third quarter of 2007. Sales for the first 9 months of 2008 increased 113.6% to $98.5 million, and its net income increased 180% to $31.9 million, and earnings per share of $1.27. Excellent results from RINO International. It trades again on the OTCBB under symbol RINO. Yesterday closed at $2.50. 52-week high and low are $2 to $12.25. Let's go to the Venture Exchange. We have 5 stories for you. First of all, Noront, which came out late last night. It's deep drilling by Noront beneath the Eagle 1 deposit intersects 28.5 meters of new copper-nickel sulfide mineralization. Noront trades on the Venture Exchange under the symbol NOT. It is an AGORACOM client, so please do your own due diligence. And we have the highlight of the result is hole knot 08-44. It returned 28.5 meters of copper-nickel sulfide mineralization. Its drilling continued to greater depths beneath the Eagle 1 deposit to outline additional copper-nickel precious metal resources to enhance the economic viability of the deposit. The results of a preliminary assessment of the Eagle 1 deposit were released by Noront back in October 21st, and a full report is expected before December 4th of 2008. Noront traded yesterday at 92 cents. Its 52-week high and low are $5.75 to 87 cents. Again, Noront is an AGORACOM client. Moving on. Kalimantan Gold Corporation Limited trades on the Venture Exchange on the symbol KLG. It also trades on the AIM exchange for our British friends under the symbol KLG. Kalimantan Gold Corporation has initial resource statement for the Milvet vein at the July Gold Project. Here's the highlight. Indicated resource at a cutoff grade of 1.0 grams per ton of gold is 256,000 tons at 3.44 grams per ton of gold, 3.2 grams per ton of silver, and it contains an estimated 28,000 ounces of gold and 26,000 ounces of silver. It traded, Kalimantan Gold traded yesterday at 5 cents. 52-week high and low, 4.5 cents to 28.5 cents. Again, it trades on the Venture Exchange under symbol KLG, on the AIM under KLG as well. East Asia Minerals Corporation on the trades on the venture exchange on the symbol EAS. East Asia Minerals intersects 14 meters of 6.31 grams per ton of gold and further expands along the gold system, the EBIG gold system. Here's the highlight hole, number ABD-91. It had 14 meters of 6.31 grams per ton of gold, 7.78 grams per ton of silver, including a 7-meter interval of 11.6 grams per ton of gold and 11.54 grams per ton of silver. Hole number ABD-95 had 23 meters of 1.05 grams per ton of gold and 3.98 grams per ton of silver, including a meter interval of 2.3 grams per ton of gold and 13.3 grams per ton of silver. Yesterday, East Asia Minerals traded at 16 cents, 52-week high and low, $1.93 to 12 cents. Full Metal Minerals trades on the venture exchange on the symbol FMM. Full Metal metal and Highbury drill of 5.5 meters of 4.28 grams per ton of gold at Moore Creek Gold Project. The highlight here is hole MC08-05. It had 10.5 meters of 2.82 grams per ton of gold, including 5.5 meters of 4.28 grams per ton of gold. Yesterday, Full Metal Minerals traded at 22.5 cents. Its high and low, $2.60 to 17 cents. Again, it trades on the venture exchange under the symbol FMM. And our last story of the day is Star Navigation Systems. It's an AGORACOM client that trades under the symbol TSX on the venture exchange under the symbol CSNA. Again, do your own due diligence on this. Star Navigation is just updating a press release that was released back in October of 2008. They have increased a previous sale with the Chinese government, or a Chinese government supplier, after the Zhuhai Air Show in China. It has resulted in more sales. Of course, they are not disclosing any numbers here because of a confidentiality agreement that they've got in place. So please take a look at our website to see the full press release. Star Navigation traded yesterday at 14 cents. Its 52-week high and low are 26 cents to 3 cents. Again, they are an AGORACOM client. Please do your own due diligence on this story. Those are all of our news stories for today. If for any stock calls, please go to stockcalls.com. And again, have a great day, and we'll see you again tomorrow.